to unhide profile picture on WhatsApp. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna guide you the easy and quick way to unhide your profile picture on WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device. And then select the three dots at the top right corner. On this drop-down menu box, select Settings, and then you will see the option for Privacy. Simply, you have to select Profile Photo and then choose to Everyone. If you have set to Nobody, no one will be able to see your profile picture and it will be hidden. But if you tap on Everyone, then everyone will be able to view your profile photo and it will be unhidden on your WhatsApp. So that's how we easily unhide profile picture on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.